Hello everyone, today in this video I will teach you how to play YouTube in background. So this works for both Android and iOS. So let's start a video. If you are using Android, then open Google, and if you are using iOS, open Safari. Now after opening Safari, you need to type youtube.com, and this will lead you to the YouTube website. Now choose the video you want to run on your background. I am using this video as an example. After that, we need to convert this into a desktop. So if you are using Android, there will be a three dots. After clicking the three dots, there will be an option called desktop site. Tap there. And if you are using iOS, you need to tap this icon, and from here it says request desktop website. Now make sure to play the video first and then tap this icon from the top. And now you need to close Safari. It will pause the video for a second, and from the notification bar you need to resume it again. Yeah, that's how you run YouTube on the background. It will even work if you're lock the screen.